What's up, my social tribe? Thank you for tuning in and welcome to my channel. I'm Dr. Khushbu Pandya, your social media bestie. I started my career in 2008 as a freelancer and now owning a social media agency. Hence, I'll be sharing everything I learned in my decade-long journey to help you earn more and create your financial freedom. So, social media platforms have been around since more than a decade, and we know that today every one of us is hooked to one or the other social media sites and apps. From where I see things, social media has brought earning opportunities for millions of people. In fact, social media has played a very important role in my career. I have shared this journey in my TEDx talk as well. Well, during the global pandemic, the power of social media doubled, or I would say tripled, and helped save many businesses and create new career opportunities. So today, I am going to explain what is social media management and also share ways to earn money through it and make your career in this domain. Social media management became necessary because of few simple reasons. It requires time, effort and dedication. No one can generate quick money through social media. Growing a single Instagram account and managing it with consistent content posting requires time and effort. Secondly, with the rise in the number of social media platforms, the need for presence on all of them increased. Every business has to be present where their target audience is present. Hence, managing multiple social media platforms in itself is a huge task. If I talk about me, I have my accounts in almost every social media platform, and it requires time and effort to manage all of them on a regular basis. Hence, this entire social media management domain opened up and created a lot of different opportunities like managers, designers, writers, advertisers, video creators, editors, and lot more. In fact, when I started my career, there were very few social media dashboard or social media management dashboards. I only remember using Hootsuite in early 2008 because that was the only tool that helped manage multiple social media platforms in a single consolidated platform. But today, we have a plethora of social media management tools like Sprout Social, Social Pilot, Buffer, CoSchedule, SEMrush, etc. In fact, every social media platform has their own scheduling feature that helps social media managers batch schedule their content. In simple words, social media management is the process of creating, publishing and analyzing content that you post on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. But it's not just this. Engaging with users on those platforms and building a community is also a task covered under social media management. Let's talk about why social media management is important. It is important because of two reasons: time and money. Let's say you are running a business and you want your products or service to reach your audience or potential customers. You will have to be present on social media for gaining their attention and spreading awareness about your business. Would you just create content and publish on social media sites every day? Is this the only task of a business owner? Absolutely not. You have other organizational tasks to manage. Hence, time plays a vital role when it comes to managing social media. The more you plan and create systems to manage it, the more time you save. Secondly, social media platforms may be free. Creating accounts is free, publishing is free, scheduling is free, but creating content for social media is not free. Marketing on these accounts is not free. You need to spend on hiring talents to manage multiple accounts, develop strategies, create content, and take care of communities on these platforms. Hence, as I said earlier, social media management demands a lot of different skills, and that opens up various career options. Let's see how you can earn from social media management. There are many job titles under social media management, but I'll share the basic roles that any small to medium-sized business would hire to get their social media management done. The first one is social media manager. Now, I have made an entire video on the roles and responsibilities of a social media manager in this video, so make sure you check that out. To be clear and crisp, social media managers are in demand and will stay in demand because these are the people who take care of your social media presence, timely publishing the content, managing DMs and responding to comments, etc. A social media manager in India earns a minimum of 10,000 per month. You can grow as an SMM and demand higher pay with leveraging up your skills and becoming pro at your roles and responsibilities. The next career option in social media management is graphic designing. As we all know, social media is all about visuals and storytelling. Aesthetics of a video or aesthetics of an account is one major strategy that pulls your viewers and gets them to read, write comments, share, subscribe, and even buy your products and services. Graphic design is no longer a complex skill with platforms like Canva today. Everyone has a power to give shape to their imaginations, and that's what makes this skill interesting. Third career option in social media management is video creators and editors. Be it reels or shorts, YouTube videos or Facebook videos, course videos or advertising videos, today the majority of people grab knowledge and information through videos. Hence, this is a highly profitable career and is going to flourish more in the coming years. Coming to the next money-making career option in social media management is social media advertising. Playing with numbers and budgets is the business side of social media management. Understanding data, creating campaigns, targeting the right audience, creating ad funnels, etc. comes under the social ads segment, and businesses hire ad experts or agencies to manage these tasks. If you're good at creating business and marketing strategies, there's a highly paid career option for you, and that is social media strategy and consulting. Social media strategists and consultants are the people who create a roadmap for the entire social presence of a business and design a game plan for it. Social media strategists bring everything under one roof and cohesively work with other team members and makes sure the plan gets implemented. As I said, there are a lot of opportunities under social media management domain. I have just shared 5 basic ones. If you wish to know more on different options, ask me in the comments below and I'll answer you there. I hope this video was helpful. Share this with your friends to let them know about different careers in social media management. And before you hop on to other videos, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, as it's your go-to free resource to become the social boss. Until the next time, keep creating good vibes globally. Bye-bye.